Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Redmi K70 and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. Let's start with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode. So let's first of all switch to the video one. Let's simply tap on the video, and if you can see the red color inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. So now all we have to do is to either take a look at this options which are connected with the resolution, so HDR 1080p and 30 frames per second. But if you're not the biggest fan of changing it, right here you can simply scroll your finger from the top to the center, just like that. Just swipe it, and as you can see here we've got the options. You can turn off the HDR, it's up to you, and the resolution. So the option we are actually looking for, we can simply tap on it, and in this device we've got 4 different options, so 720p, 1080p, which is currently applied, 4K and 8K. So in order to change it, simply tap on the option like to use. I'll choose 8K. And as you can see, it has been immediately applied right here. It is visible here, which means that from now on your device will use the chosen resolution whilst recording the video. As I said, of course, you can change it right here. Just tap on this option, and your device will show you other options available in this device, in this section. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.